Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to design a product packaging using Canva apps. And first things that you need to do you need to make a design of your product using a new project like this. Then for example, I will try to add this picture of a splash water, and after that adjust the size like this, and then I will insert a text. For example, I will type cool water, this one, then change the font onto this one, then go back and I will adjust the size like this and change the color onto, I think I'm going to change the color onto this blue color, this one. Go back, click the text, and then now we need to add an effect onto the text. I am using a leaf effect, and after that open a new page. Now here you need to add an element. You can follow this method. You can follow the step that I do right now. If you want to have a same result design, then click the the shape, duplicate it. Now adding the color one more time, adjust the size like this, positioning like this, duplicate it one more time, change the color for the last one, decrease the size like this, and for the last part duplicate it one more time and then change the color onto white color. After finish, now this is the shape that we will to use on the first page to add a new object. Then copy, now move to the first page and then paste the design here, and after that click the position to back, make sure it's behind all of the object on the first page like this. And after that you finish doing it, positioning everything, and make sure it looks as good as you want, and then put the splash water behind the circular object like this. Okay, and now click downloading it. Okay, and then check the transparent background, this one, then click download. And after that you can minimize this one, delete this. After that open a new project and then insert the image that you insert the design that you already downloading before, this one, insert it to the page like this. And after that now click the apps and then click mockups. And after that we need to use this packaging mockup. You just scroll up the screen, and then you will find the packaging mockup, this one, and then click see all. And now there's a plenty of choice of a mockup. Now we need to use this image of a bottle, and as you can see. And now if you want to change the shape or the positioning of the image, you can just go to the apps, and this is the tools that you can use on these apps, this one. And now I will try to adjust the size and the position of the image like this. And after that you can change the color of the bottle if you want to, and then apply change, this one. And now as you can see, this is the result that you will get. And that's the way how to use a mockup apps on Canva to create a design packaging of your product. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.